Ang General Santos City ay isa talaga sa pinanggalingan ng mga magagaling na boksingero. Siyempre nangunguna dito si pambansang kamaong Manny Pacquiao. Ngunit may isang world champion pa na nagmula sa General Santos City, kung saan sa kanyang edad na 19 years old ay talagang ginulantang nito ang mundo ng boxing nang kanyang inangkin ang WBO Super Flyweight World Title. Ito ay si Marvin Sonsona mga tol. May tangkad na 5'7", na may 21 wins, 1 loss, na may 50 knockouts sa kanyang kartada. Binansagang marvelous dahil sa lakas at tulis ng kanyang mga suntok. Si Sonsona mga tol ay lumalaban muna ng 150 times sa amateur bago pinasok ang pro boxing. Matapos nakakuha si Sonsona ng 13 na panalo at walang talo at inangkin ang WBO Oriental Flyweight title nang pinabagsak nito ang 2 times world champion na si Wandi Singwancha ng Thailand sa loob ng round 2 sa laban na naganap sa Cebu. Dahil sa impresibong panalo, nabigyan agad si Sonsona mga tol ng pinakamalaking laban sa labas ng bansa sa unang pagkakataon. Lumipad ang kampo ni Sonsona sa Canada upang harapin ang WBO Super Flyweight Champion. Ito ay ang Puerto Rican na si Jose Lopez. Hindi ito madaling laban kay Sonsona mga tol dahil umakyat ito sa Super Flyweight sa unang pagkakataon upang harapin lang itong world champion na si Lopez. Tara mga tol, ating balikan kung paano pinabagsak nitong batang Pinoy na si Sonsona itong champion na si Lopez at binawian ng titulo. Dala ng challenger na si Sonsona mga tol ang record na 13 wins, walang talo na may 12 knockouts, habang ang champion na si Lopez naman ay may 39 wins, 2 losses na may 32 knockouts. Dito ay paglabanan nila ang WBO Super Flyweight title ni Lopez na naganap sa Casino Rama sa Canada. Sa round 1 mga tol, si Sonsona ang naka-southpaw stance at naka-black trunks, habang naka-orthodox at white trunks naman ang champion na si Lopez.
Man, it looks like your paper boy in there. And Lopez, of course, the wily veteran, and we'll see how it plays out here. A good combination there from Sonsona. Contingent of Filipinos in attendance here as a large population exists in Toronto, one of the great world-class cities of the world.
So far, Sonsona's landing some good shots, I think, here, but Lopez has been able to take them pretty good.
Lopez is. You can just see the composure as well, the difference in the experience from the veteran and the youngster. Good right hand over the top from Lopez.
Of course, the ability on the outside. He wants to trap this guy to put the pressure on him.
Lopez coming off the ropes himself. And Jose Lopez, Puerto Rico, in the blue and gray. Final seconds here in the opening round.
Talagang sigawan ang mga Pinoy sa Canada na nanonood sa laban mga tol pag tumama ang batang si Sonsona.
Backs the youngster. The punches are coming at him. Long left hook there, and a wild left hook and a wild right by Sonsona that did this 12-round WBO Junior Bantamweight Champion.
Naalog ni Sonsona itong champion, ngunit nasalba pa ito ng bell.
Round two.
Tuloy ang mga solidong patama ni Sonsona dito sa round 3 mga tol, ngunit nagpakita din ng tibay itong Puerto Rican boxer.
Some of them are coming from Manila, but he's throwing. He's really trying to land that. The only fight that Marvin Sonsona has not knocked his opponent out was his very first professional fight. And he's a Lopez coming back. Lopez looking to land a shot that'll keep this kid off here. Some respect. That's right. Because right now, and there it is. There's the kid start giving him everything. But here, seconds remain in the round.
Sa round 4 mga tol, nagpalitan ng mga malalakas na kombinasyon ang dalawang fighters na gustong makakuha ng impresibong panalo.
These guys had to restrict down to 115.
Mula sa mabilis na kombinasyon ni Sonsona mga tol, bagsak ang champion. Nakatayo man ito, ngunit halatang nasaktan.
He's hurt. It's the temple shot again. His legs weak. He knows where he is, but his legs aren't under it. Chuck says, carry on. And Lopez in a lot of trouble.
Gusto na siyang tapusin ni Sunsuna, ngunit nagpakita din ng tibay itong si Lopez.
Like he sees everything. Like he sees it, but he just can't get his leg. Lopez in trouble. Got him in a head. Came up with an air. Well, there's no doubt about it. This kid packs some dynamite in his feet.
That's for sure. The 115-pound division.
Look at the experience of those guys. He's there. Right left hand by Sansona. Just keeps moving the wrong way.
Game day weigh-in. Lopez. Sansona's a younger guy.
A whale of a fight. Round 4 is
Sa round 5 mga tol, umatake na itong si Lopez na gustong makabawi mula sa pagbagsak.
Lopez got likewise another leg toe-to-toe in the middle of the say that.
And that was Lopez backing up Sansona. See
The hard shots he's thrown, and you know he's forced a lot of it. Yeah, and a lot of misses. The idea of going 12 rounds, there is a strategy of pacing himself.
Give credit to Sansona though. He's
Pace, slow. Left hand that brings it back. It's a looping left hand and the hook that's gone.
He's got to move to his left. He keeps moving right under to the right.
Dito sa round 6 mga tol, nagpakawala ng low blow itong champion na si Lopez, kaya inawat muna ng referee ang laban.
Sansona limping a little bit here.
Yeah, he caught him clear in the thigh right there, in his leg there. I think that one's a little more borderline.
Wild left hand by Sansona, and now he's pressing the attack again.
But he landed nothing there.
Lucas, let him know about it.
Dito sa round 7 mga tol, parehong malakas pa rin ang pinakawalan ng dalawang boxers.
Great shots there by both. You can train and be in superb condition, but until he's physical,
The time is in his reach. He's breaking the advantage. He's closing the big jab and the big left hand.
and coming back after land after two.
Fighters got their out of it. Remember the first couple rounds, he got tried some hard shots because he's walking, not moving his head, not blocking anything.
He was hurt.
Sa round 8 mga tol, binigyan ng pressure ng champion itong batang si Sunsona, ngunit talagang palaban si Kabayan.
Into Sansona's punch where he's going to get dropped again. Right on the inside, touching the body, ripping short hooks on the inside.
Launching left hook there by Sansona, and now they're back in the middle of the ring. He's not landing the shots he expects to land.
Lopez is starting to touch him.
And Sansona for the first time looks a little weary. For Jose Lopez.
The Puerto Rican pride is really coming out of the way.
Lopez trying to press the attack.
Bago natapos ang round mga tol, tumira na naman ng isang low blow si Lopez, kaya may deduction ng point na ito mula sa referee.
Sansona will get the bell. He tried to Hail Mary there, Sansona did. See,
Yeah, fine now.
the chin shots that seem to be the problem. There was the temple shot. Is Sansona in trouble? Lopez.
Isang low blow pa ang pinatama ni Lopez dito sa round 9 mga tol, kaya nabuo ito ng mga tao.
Left hand. Yeah, but picked off this time. Let's create controversy for nothing. Yeah, that was low. 5 seconds left in the round. And wild haymakers being thrown here. Good left hook there by Sansona. The straight right jab. If I'm in Lopez's corner, I tell you, you better stop throwing body shots. Stop throwing the number.
Dito sa round 10 mga tol, nagpalitan ng patama ng mga solidong suntok ang dalawang boksingero, ngunit pareho itong matibay.
Feeling a little more comfortable. And now, Sansona being worried about a low blow. And he's got Lopez up against the ropes. And blow that had him in trouble, and since then he has started to carry the
Talagang palaban pa rin itong si Sunsuna dito sa round 11 mga tol na suportado ng mga fans.
Yes, he does. He'll land anything solid. Got over that right hand of Lopez. He'll continue to apply the pressure here. Now Sansona with a wild left hand with this. Into a 12th and 31. This is a good round for Sansona, and he needed it.
Binuhos na lahat ng dalawang fighters dito sa final round mga tol na grabe ang paghanga ng mga fans dito sa 19-year-old na si Sunsuna.
Land that shot. That was Lopez just Brown getting into the hole. As 2 minutes of the 12th and final round. But the wall left hooks. Looks like certainly, and he's showing the ability to do so.
That's why I think this kid has a bright future in sport boxing. For 13 professional fights, to show the ring championship like he is. He doesn't have 50 professional fights.
Yeah. Final round. Well, this has been an absolutely outstanding fight, gentlemen. Balls thrown here in the final seconds by both boxers. And there it is, man.
Matapos ang mainit na bakbakan mga tol, nakuha ni Marvin Sunsuna ang unanimous decision na panalo at naging WBO Super Flyweight Champion. Tungkol naman sa performance ni Sunsuna mga tol, pag-usapan na lang natin yan sa baba at salamat sa inyong suporta.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.